Come on.
Okay, this is Lizzie. She's our chicken that was found down the road this summer and nobody wanted her. So we adopted her and took her in. And she had some problems with worms in the fall. So I had wormed her, and then a couple months later, she became listless again, not eating, very peckish. Thought it was worms again, so I wormed her, no improvement. Then I treated her for coccidia, no improvement. Then I thought maybe she had enteritis, so I treated her with amoxicillin, no improvement. What I did find out though is that she had a sour crop, which is an overgrowth of yeast in the crop. So we treated for that, which is actually giving her, to treat for that, you give them monostat cream morning and night. And just a couple days ago, her crop, which was very large, about the size of a tennis ball, has finally gone down. So I think we have the yeast infection under control, but she still has residual sunflower seeds and corn kernels that she had ingested like 2 weeks ago, still in her crop. So something else is going on, and to make sure that we get the proper nutrition in her, we have to tube feed her. And to do that, you need a syringe and a feeding tube. And what we tube feed her with is called KT Exact. It's a baby bird. It's like a powder food that we mix Pedialyte unflavored with, and then we tube feed her. So this video is to show how to tube feed a bird. It's actually quite easy. Before I do the tube though, I want to show inside of her mouth. She's not too happy right now because she knows what's going to happen. Hold still. So right in the middle of her mouth, and you probably cannot see, is her trachea. So to avoid that, because she will aspirate, you have to go, and the crop is located on my left, her right. You have to guide the tube along this side of her throat so it goes down to the crop area. And before you insert the tube, kind of want to make sure you don't go too far with it. So you have to measure along, which we obviously have already done, and it is to about this. There's a mark, you can't see it, but it's about right here. So anyways, here we go. Yeah, you can just hold it right there. There, perfect. Yep. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab her beak. And here we go. To the left. And then I will just hold and slowly plunge it in. We've been doing this 3 times a day, and she gets about 25 cc's per feeding to make sure she gets enough. She obviously doesn't like it, which is why she fights it. Almost done. Got it. And slowly pull it out. So not only do we tube feed baby fox, but we also tube feed birds here. We've had to do this with a couple of peacocks, and Lizzie here is our first chicken. All right, hope this was informative. Bye.